Very quick Sunday rant. I am, for reasons, and there are reasons, having to follow a flight out of the Central African Republic. It's this flight KQ570. And what I wanted to show was the disparity between apps. So FlightAware, it's not even on there. FlightAware, see that Qatar flight there, the Emirates flight there. See where it actually is. It's all the way over there. It is miles away. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say, for those of you that rely on apps for your ADSB coverage, please stop doing it. Get your own coverage. Okay, if you're in America or England or somewhere in Europe, it will be a lot better coverage. But it's time delayed, and if they haven't got the coverage, it just doesn't work. Look, there's one south, there's one there. Oh, I know, that's a mystery 737 inbound. It's not even showing. It's not even showing on FlightAware. So, dear viewer, if you're serious about your droning, get yourself one of these. Get yourself an SDR. You'll be using, if you're serious, you'll be using Mission Planner. Get one of these. You'll get live traffic straight into Mission Planner. Don't fool around. It's not the best way. And why is it not the best way? Because what you really need is multiple versions, multiple ones of these. So at friends' houses and other places. And pull that all together into a feed and virtual radar server and give yourself a better situational awareness picture. And in fact, get multilateralated traffic as well. If you don't know what that is, find out. You really need to. But it must be said, Flight Radar 24 plainly has the coverage in the Central African Republic. This rant ends. This rant was brought to you by Black Label Beer on a Sunday afternoon. Look after yourselves. See you every Tuesday, 2100 GMT, for our rant of nonsense. Cheers for now.